What's going on, guys? So let's do a little intraday recap on Tesla. They had some news come out today. They're going to be looking into the self-driving feature on the cars because something about 11 accidents since, the going back 2 years or something like that. So they sold the stock off pretty aggressively. I got the 4-hour chart pulled up. The reason why I have the 4-hour chart pulled up is because I wanted to see where Tesla bounced off of and where is an area of opportunity potentially to play this on a bounce back up to the upside, and where could we potentially use a stop. So it looked like we came down to the 200-day EMA, so the exponential moving average. We came down here 676.45. This is the area that I'm looking for Tesla to hold. Obviously, if we don't hold 276, we're coming down to, if we don't hold 676, we're probably coming down to 673, which is the 200 simple moving average. Now, obviously, any close below the 200-day moving average is going to get extremely, extremely bearish to the downside. We have room all the way down to 647. Obviously, at 647, this is definitely going to be a potential buy zone for me on a swing trade. But what I'm looking for right now is to see if we can hold this 200 EMA. You can see going back here just actually a week and a half ago, this area was acting as a big resistance. We came up, touched it once, 2 times, 3 times. And when we finally broke through, going back to 2 Fridays ago, we had this big explosion from 676 all the way up to 697. And then we know we hit those highs of 727, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So going forward, we already know the macro level on Tesla to the upside is 627, this area. As soon as we can push through that, we potentially have room to upper supply at 638, and anything over 638 can take us into the 650 channel. So what I'm looking for in an area for a bounce here, I'm thinking about picking up some call options if we can hold this $776, at the end of the day. If we do come back down and test it one more time before the close, would be a great area of opportunity, would create a double bottom here, potentially get a little dead cat bounce and a good move on those premiums. If you're playing stock on Tesla, you're going to want to look to hold $676. Obviously, your max pain is going to be $673. Anything below 673, you're just going to want to exit that trade just because you don't want to be in this trade potentially if it slides down further. But if it holds this area, it's a good swing opportunity to get this testing back into the 690, 700 area. You can make anywhere from 20 to 30 points on this move, depending on if we hold this area here. So this area is going to be very, very key. Going into this week, we need to see how the market continues to digest that news. We need to see what the NASDAQ 100 continues to do. Currently recovering a little bit. We were down as much as 200 points on the session, but right now making a little bit of a crawl back here, down 98 points. Just looking at the triple Qs right now, I'd really like to see us get back over $367. And as long as we don't lose this 364, this double bottom low that we had on the triple Qs, I'm pretty confident in this Tesla swing going forward. So just something to keep an eye on if you do play Tesla or you trade Tesla. Also, guys, if you did watch the end of this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I do have a Discord down below where I talk about the stocks that I'm trading intraday, kind of give out some key levels. That link will be down in the description box below, but I will see you guys all on the next video.